Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. This court, wide order dated 18th June 2021, granted the interim bail subject to joining investigation. Stop. Present petition has been filed under section 438 for the grant of anticipatory bail to the petitioner in respect of FIR registered under section 409 of Essential Commodities Act 2015 of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, added later on at Police Station Vigilance Bureau Wing, District Ludhiana. Stanza. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the allegation against the petitioner is that after the raid was conducted by the Vigilance Department Punjab on the premises of and company and found certain irregularities in shortage of kerosene oil, petitioner was deputed by his department, Food and Supplies Department, to go and ascertain the actual facts available on the site. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that he gave a report after verifying the records by conducting physical verification and found that there was nothing short. Stop. The said report was accepted by the Food and Supplies Department and suspension of the license. Stop. Rajan and company was withdrawn. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that petitioner has been made accused on the ground that the report submitted by him was in collusion with the owner of company so as to create evidence contrary to the facts noticed by the Vigilance Department in its raid. Stop. Learned counsel submits that present is the case where two departments of the state of Punjab are having different views about the same report given by the petitioner. Stop. Learned counsel further submits that nothing is to be recovered from the petitioner as all the record and the documents are already with the police as the FIR has been registered after a period of more than 3 years of the incident. Stanza. Learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that the proprietor of company has already been granted the interim benefit regarding his arrest by coordinate bench of this court while hearing on 14/1/2021. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that co-accused of the petitioner has also been granted the benefit of anticipatory bail by this court while hearing on 17/6/2021. Stanza. Learned Deputy Advocate General Punjab, who has joined the proceedings through video conference, keeping in view the service of advance copy of petition, accepts notice on behalf of the respondent state. Stanza. Learned counsel for the respondent state submits that in fact the report given by the petitioner was to bail out the proprietor of the firm and to create an evidence in favor of the company to dislodge the findings of the raid conducted by the Vigilance Department, and the same was done in connivance with the proprietor of the firm. Stop. Learned State Counsel concedes that co-accused have already been extended interim bail by this court. Stanza. I have heard learned counsel for the parties and have gone through the record with their able assistance. Stanza. Prima facie, two departments of the state of Punjab have different views about the report submitted by the petitioner on 10/4/2017. Stop. Department of full stop over.